Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have my first of two Causebox marketplace boxes. Now let me tell you about this haul. Let's get into it. This is my Causebox marketplace haul from fall. And I think before they even do fall customizations, they open their marketplace. I placed this order on August 26th. Yes, I've had it for a few days, but yes, it took 2 months to get to me. 2 months. And this is only the first order. I placed 2 orders. My second order arrived yesterday. So yeah, almost 2.5 months. So they don't rush right over with it. But if you know that going in, which is an old school Causebox person, I do. And you put your patient pants on, you only order things that you don't need in a hurry, and you're willing to wait, it's worth the wait because it's usually a really good deal and it's things that you don't necessarily see in other subscriptions. And I picked up, well, let's see what I picked up. Let's get right into this. You pick up some odds and ends, but you just have to be patient. And just for the record, the top of this says add-ons, and it used to just be called the marketplace. They didn't call it add-ons, so I didn't know. So when I open it up, this is what I have inside. So I have to tell you, I haven't gone back and looked. So I have absolutely no idea what is in here or what is worth or what I paid. So I will try and give you that information down here. I'm just gonna go ahead and take all of this out. Ooh, that's heavy. Don't know what that is. So that we don't have to deal with the box. All right, let's start off with this really heavy thing that I have no idea what it is. It says Tech for Good. So that should be a hint. And it says Nimble. I still don't remember what this is. So let's just get it open. Oh, I'm looking at it. I am literally looking at it and I'm still like, yeah, I have absolutely no idea, but now I do. This is, oh, it's super heavy. I don't think he knew it was gonna be that heavy. I actually got this for my husband. I think it was like $55, but it had, again, I'll tell you, like $129, $139 value, and it is a Nimble phone recharger. It is heavy and big. I don't think he knew it was going to be this big, but it's supposedly you can charge, look, that many things like 10, 15 times off of one charge. When we went to Disney World last year, my daughter had one that I thought was going to be very similar to this one. This one is much bigger than hers because during the day, she had such a good one that we could all charge our phones. I mean, we called it getting a hit. We all got a full charge hit off of her charger every day because it had so much power. And I thought we need one of those, but this is gonna take, he's gonna have to wear a backpack just to carry this. But he wanted it and I got it. So that is what this Elephant Nimble is a battery charger. Okay, next, much smaller, I have a Geoganix natural tooth tablets, effervescent cleansing tablets with cream of tartar and kaolin clay. And it's 120 tablets in spearmint. That is what that looks like. You know, I always say, you just never know what mood is hitting you on the days where you get in, and that's what you end up buying, is just whatever strikes your fancy that day. And I was using at the time some Tom's toothpaste that I actually finished, but I went back to my like Colgate sensitive, and wow, I was happy to get back to my Colgate. But I will try these because I love the theory of them. It is a glass bottle. Is it ASMR? I should talk about them like this while I do this. They are the Geoganix Spearmint Tooth Tabs. That is what they look like. But anyway, the directions are chew 1 tablet and let it dissolve. Brush your teeth. Rinse well for external use only. Let's see if they really smell spearminty. Oh, they do. Smell like spearmint chewing gum. That is so interesting, guys. I cannot wait to give that a try. I will get back to you on that. All right, this one is Headbands of Hope, headbands that help. I remember something about a headband. It's in a really cute little bag with a little zippy. It's very nice. When you take it out, it is just, oh, I have to tie it myself. Oof. I got this thinking I might like it or one of my granddaughters might like it. I thought it was already going to be a headband and I could just, but It says Headbands of Hope. For every item sold, a headband is given to a child with an illness. Aww. Oh, and look at the little picture. Oh, that's so sweet. I'm gonna take a minute, guys. I'll be right back. So anyway, at the bottom it says, your purchase creates #moments like this. So that's really sweet. I'm sure that's probably part of what helped me make my decision. Such a softie. All right, next I have the same plastic. I don't know what it is. Ready for a reveal? Oh. It's a Corksicle, and it's got a matte finish, and it's a nice teal with gold accents. Yeah, I don't know why I bought it. I can't. I have a slight Corksicle problem. You guys might have noticed. Yeah, reusable cups. They're my thing. I like the way this one feels. It's 12 ounces, and it's matte, and it's nice, and it's one of their triple insulated, easy grip sides. Stainless steel, dishwasher safe Corksicles. And the bottom has the nice silicone piece so it doesn't slide off. But that is what that looks like. And next, we have the R&Co Spiritualized Dry Shampoo Mist. Now that I'm holding it in my hand, I'm wondering if it's back there. You know what, we're gonna move forward. I keep all of my extra hair things to try. That's what this shelf is that you guys can't see all the way across. But this sounded really cool to me because it is a dry shampoo. It is a mist. But now that I'm hearing those words come out of my mouth, I feel like maybe I've said them before. Let's just blow right past that. I thought it would be really neat to try a dry shampoo that maybe wasn't quite as drying, because I have such fine hair that when I put too much volume in it with like a dry shampoo or something like that, it almost makes it fluff fuzzy. So I thought this would be cool to try. Let's say, oh, it's ready. And just like all the R&Co products, they have such great scent. And that's what you want, especially on a day where you're not shampooing your hair. If you're gonna put something in it, you want it to smell good. That does, it smells very good. Transcend lifeless hair with Spiritualized. This dry shampoo mist has a revolutionary micellar formula with suspended cleansing powder that leaves your hair and scalp feeling exceptionally clean. Shake well before use. I am laughing because I just finished a boxy video where that shake well thing occurred also. I never read the instructions first. Shake well. Also, and I just realized, I feel like you guys are old friends and you all know this, but in case there's anyone new here, Causebox is a lifestyle box that comes out quarterly, spring, summer, fall, and winter. It is $54.95 if you sign up seasonally, or $49.95 is what it works to if you sign up annually. When they do their boxes each season, and you can go in and do your customization. If you were an annual, if you are not an annual, they don't offer customization. When that time happens, they also do a marketplace, and you can just go in and purchase things at a reduced price, and that's what this is. And hopefully I've been letting you know right here what the prices are. Last but not least, I have another box, and it says on it, oh, I remember what this is. I mean, I didn't before I read it, but I am doing so much cooking these days, and I just thought this looked so cute and sunny and bright. And it's just a steel colander, a little yellow steel colander. Nothing fancy schmancy, but how cute is that? And it's bigger than you think. It's the full of my hand. But my colander that is this size, it's not footed. So it just sets in my sink. And I always think when I'm putting things through it that I wish that I would know that what was down here wasn't touching the bottom of my sink. So when I saw this and it was footed, I thought, perfect. And that is about how much pasta I need for my husband and I. So I am very excited. Okay, that was my Causebox Marketplace numero uno. I have another one sitting right across from me. I'm gonna wait a few days before I tape that so they won't be too close together and bore you guys. But I am really happy. I picked up some really unusual things, and like I said, I forget about them. I do well to remember in the short time frame between when we do our Ipsy choice selections and the week or two that goes by before we actually get the Ipsy choice items. 2 months out with unusual items, I have 0%. 0% chance of remembering. So this order was the nice bright yellow colander, the Corksicle cup, R&Co Spiritualized Dry Shampoo Mist, Spearmint tooth tabs. Again, if you have tried these, let me know below. Let me know what you thought. The headband for Headbands with Hope, pushing right through that, and this huge, I'm telling you, this thing probably weighs, well, I want to say a lot, but like 2 pounds. It is a really heavy for a phone charger. He will be thrilled. So that was order number 1. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. Let me know below, what did you pick up? I am always interested in what other interesting things. I think last time I got steak knives. I get the most unusual things out of the marketplace orders. I hope you guys have a great day. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I will see you really soon. Bye, guys.